Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Amit Digital. Today I am going to show you how you can create amazing visuals with the help of Google Gemini. You don't need any editing software for it. Let's start the video. I just given a simple prompt, create image of face recognition system. Now it generated a perfect image for you. See. Now just upload a banner and recreate this. Also remove the text from the banner. See, it has removed the text and resize the banner also. Now we need to change the female character color theme and style of this banner. See, it has added two female characters. Don't worry, just give another prompt, display only single character. See, it has removed one of them. Now change the background color of this image. See, it is also changed. Now recreate another banner with the same process. Now I have given another prompt, change character, font style and background color also. It should look different. See, it has changed the character, but there is one mistake also. It is showing different character in the machine. So given another prompt, use same character in the machine also. Now see the image. You can also change the color of the icons. See. I just want to say you can create anything. You can also create texture background image. Now think about it. If you are doing all the things in normal editing software, it would take lot of time. But here, just give a simple prompt and it can do a lot of things for you. You can also create texture background, style of any banner, add any text, whatever creativity you want in your creatives, you can easily create with the help of simple prompt. So next time, try Google Gemini and see the magic yourself. Thank you friends. If you found this video helpful, please like, share the video and also subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.